we break down how the judge presiding over the KT Molefe case came to the approval of the 400,000 rand bail. The state accuses Mr. KT Molefe together with his co-accused of orchestrating contract killings. He is alleged to have ordered and paid for the killing of DJ Sumbody and his 2 bodyguards in November 2022.
Murder accused KT Molefe has been granted 400,000 rands bail and the Johannesburg High Court under strict conditions, including surrendering his passport and reporting weekly to the nearest police station.
Overall, the judge rejected the state's case, saying its evidence was circumstantial, speculative and weak. Basically, they failed to provide any hard evidence. The state puts Mr. Molefe as both the mastermind of the contract killing as well as the middleman. This makes them seem as if they do not know what they are talking about, because in the underworld, there is the mastermind, there is the middleman, and there is the killer. The mastermind and the middleman is not usually the same person. He had abided by his bail conditions when he was arrested, because when he was arrested at his home. He had not done anything to indicate he is a flight risk. But the state's concern about finding Mr. Molefe with multiple passports was thrown out, because as the passports expire, as time passes by, he had to renew them. So all of the passports that were found were actually expired passports. To say Mr. Molefe is a flight risk because the state had made concerns that he had traveled out of the country a few times. The judge could not take this as a matter of concern because his passports could be confiscated. In fact, his passport is already with the state and the investigating officer. The judge also did not take the matter of the hitman's cell phones pinging in the same area as KT Molefe shortly after DJ Sumbody was killed. The defense argued that Sandton is a center hub and a business hub in South Africa, so everybody goes there. So it's not unusual to find a lot of people there at the same time. Now, the judge did not take Mr. Molefe's 2004 drug conviction in the UK as relevant because it is a 20-year-old case, meaning that it's old, and it is not a firearm and murder related case. The judge could not take the findings of large amounts of cash which were unaccountable, which had no origin in Mr. Molefe's case, because as he runs a business, transactions are made either via a bank transfer or can be made via cash. The judge argues that the state could not prove where those cash deposits were coming from. The state did not make any investigations, and therefore they could not make that as substantial evidence. The defense team argued that Judge Ledwaba gave Mr. Molefe bail on the exact charges in the June case for the murder of Mr. Swart. This sets a legal precedent, and therefore bail should be allowed in this case too. The judge agreed.